I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm
Hello everyone, my ChinaBazaar.com have come to the e-bike factory. You have seen in our other videos how we have seen through the video, see the e-bike models over there. Now we are over here in the production unit. You can see this bike. You can see this bike. How is this bike being attached over there? The front side, when the body is attached, after the chassis and the body attachment, this part is being completed. The wires, the controllers are being placed. These are high racer bikes. I tell you, these are very high racer bikes with a top speed of around 85 to 90 kilometers per hour, and these bikes with a single charge can run around 160 to 170 kilometer. So these are high racer bikes, good for the youngsters. You can get to see this bike, how these bikes have been done. It is just the lunch hour over here, so most of the employees are not here. People are working over here. These bikes you get to see with a very good models. You can look through these racer bikes. These are present day models, and really the youngsters would love it. So my friends and my business partners and the new entrepreneurs, contact mychinabazaar.com so that I can provide you the best price of this special model bikes. You get to see these are special models. You get to see e-bikes. When anyone talk about e-bike, you can get to see the scooters. You have never seen e-bikes in this racer bike models. You get to see over here this racer bike models, these bikes, how these bikes have been attached over here. You get to see the people who are working over here. The racer bikes over here, the bike components are being kept. The forklift over there, you get to see how these things are being made on. These are the other bike models. These are the top bike. These are the very high selling bike. We are getting this bike being prepared for our customer. These are really very top quality bikes you get to see, and these are the racer bikes. So mychinabazaar.com tells any clients from India and anywhere around the world to contact me, Shamik, or Mr. Bhaumik in the number mentioned below. Contact us so that we can provide you these racer bikes and e-bikes and e-scooters are the cheapest price compared to anyone, as we are staying in China for last 14 years. So we are very much fluent in Chinese and talk to the production unit so that I can provide you the best product at a cheapest price. And we stay in China all around the year so that we can take care about the production. So mychinabazaar.com is a total complete package for any person looking for doing business with the e-bikes. Contact mychinabazaar.com. We take care about the production, sourcing, first with the sourcing, then with the production, then with the shipment process. So everything is covered for us. So mychinabazaar.com have been a big friend for many Indians and abroad people who are doing business. So I'm looking for new entrepreneurs and other business person to contact mychinabazaar.com. Thank you.
Welcome to another MyChinaBazaar.com partnered factory in the heart of innovation, where electric dreams take shape right here in China. Did you know that China leads the world in electric vehicle production? And it's no wonder. With advanced technology, skilled labor, and a commitment to sustainable transportation, China has become the epicenter of the EV revolution. At MyChinaBazaar.com, we've partnered with not just one, but 12 leading electric motorcycle and scooter manufacturing companies in China, including the incredible factory you see here. Imagine this, you from anywhere in the world connecting to the heart of China's EV industry through MyChinaBazaar.com. We're your bridge to the best factories, the finest products, and the most incredible opportunities. Wondering how you can benefit? Simple. As an importer, you gain access to top-tier electric motorcycles and scooters at factory-direct prices. Plus, our expertise streamlines the process, ensuring quality control, smooth transactions, and on-time delivery. And here's the kicker. These fantastic electric rides, they're not just changing the way we move, they're changing your financial landscape. Importing and selling these eco-friendly vehicles in your own country can yield impressive profits. Are you ready to embark on an electrifying journey? Reach out through comments, emails, or a direct call. Our team at MyChinaBazaar.com is here to guide you every step of the way. Write the name of the city and country where you belong. Rev up your business with us, where innovation meets opportunity. MyChinaBazaar.com, your gateway to electric excellence. Kindly like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's power the future together.
They call me a god. 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 Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession, I will not stop.
Are you ready to expand business in electronics, e-bikes, solar or metal sectors? Contact mychinabazaar.com for direct bulk imports at factory prices. Make huge profits and revolutionize your business effortlessly. If you are doing business in any sector but tired of import challenges from China, then contact us now. MyChinaBazaar.com import directly from factories for you.